The Ministry of Tourism has been allocated more than $1.7 billion in the 2016-2017 estimates of expenditure. Most of that is going towards recurrent expenditure or housekeeping expenses, while $17 million is part of the ministry's capital budget for development projects. The ministry's budget will be supplemented by $3.49 billion in grants from the Tourism Enhancement Fund, income from the industry training programs, and inspection fees. Among other things, that money will support the work of the Jamaica Tourist Board, Jamaica Vacations Limited, and the Tourism Product Development Company. The Tourism Enhancement Fund will also be providing nearly $2.9 billion to market brand Jamaica overseas. The mission of the Tourism Ministry is to work with its partners to establish policies, programs, and systems that will add value to the rich, unique, and varied attributes of the country. As such, the work of the Tourism Linkages Hub will continue to be of top priority in fiscal year 2016-2017. $26 million have been set aside for projects under this initiative.
We have to protect them. We have to create this catchment to allow for all the people who are working within the industry, directly or indirectly, can have some social security protection.
In fulfilling that mandate, the ministry is to spend $2.5 million for the Pension Planning Education Program. This will create a sustainable pension program for workers within the sector. In the 2016-2017 legislative year, the development of heritage sites will also be of top priority. $48 million will be provided to offset the operating costs of the Devon House Heritage Site, Milk River Hotel, Spa and Bath in St. Thomas. The Tourism Ministry's entire capital budget of $17 million will be going towards one project this year. It's called Enhancing the Resilience of the Agricultural Sector and Coastal Areas and is being financed by the Adaptation Fund. The implementing entity is the National Environment and Planning Agency, and the main objective is to protect livelihoods and food security in vulnerable communities. That will involve improving land and water management for the agricultural sector, strengthening coastal protection, and building institutional and local capacity for climate change adaptation. The Ministry of Tourism, building brand Jamaica, pulling millions of visitors to the country while contributing to reduced poverty levels and greater social inclusion in the 2016-2017 fiscal year.